Hey everybody. Hey everybody, welcome back to another side hustle addict. The day before Thanksgiving, gig economy right along. I don't know what. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna focus on Lyft and Uber. But if it gets slow, I'm gonna log on with DoorDash and Grubhub. All right. So for the last couple of days, Lyft has been busier. Oh man, they're playing too much music in this shopping center. I roll up my windows. All right, let's log on with Uber. So once again, when I log on with Uber, I have everything turned on. Yeah. What do you guys think? Gonna take that one, start out the day. All right. So it's barely $1 per mile, but you know, it's all right. Just gonna get the day rolling with that ride. Just had a really good bowl of pho at $4.95 in Centennial. Check out that video on my Food and Travel 303 channel. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go pick up Amanda. And with the Uber app, yeah, I want to see that. With the Uber app, yeah, they got the CarPlay. I think Lyft currently does not have CarPlay, and same with the DoorDash Dasher app. I mean, it's not a game changer, but you know, you just make the navigation screen a lot bigger. That's all. All right, let's go pick up Amanda. See you guys back in a little bit. And yeah, man, it's nice to work during the day. Get some free vitamin D over here. Let's go. Oh, hey guys, before we get on with the video, here's a pay message from my sponsor, Ekster Slim Wallet. I just got this one. This one actually glow in the dark. I'll show you guys in at the end of the video, So this one, please use my link in the channel description. It's got the RFID protector, Ekster Slim Wallet. Very slim and sleek. And it's also got the cash clip. If you put in your email address, you can get a free cash clip. It's got the RFID screen protector. It's one of the best looking wallet I've ever seen. Ekster Slim Wallet. Holds up to 12 credit cards. Once again, I'll drop the link in the video description. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Now let's get back to the pho video. I'm hungry. Let's go. So Thanksgiving is the busiest traveling holiday in the US by far, or by a large margin. Yeah, but Denver is a city of transplant, so everybody's traveling away from Denver. Yeah, not to Denver. So yeah, I worked Thanksgiving for a few years. Yeah, for a rideshare, it's not that busy, but you know, I'm gonna work you know, at least 6 hours today. And tomorrow, take the day off and spend time with the family. Maybe watch some football, drink a beer. What else is there to do on Thanksgiving, right? Alright guys, got a little surprise today. Shout out to Rideshare Rodeo Steve. Gave me a couple of coffee mugs. Looks like I gotta send some back to him. Gonna ship him the no tip I sip mug, coffee mug, Once again, thank you Steve from Rideshare Rodeo. Alright, hold on. Do this. Please check out Rideshare Rodeo podcast. Cheers to that. Thank you, Steve. All right, let me text him, He gave me 2, so Look like my wife won't be using the no tip I sip coffee mug anymore. All right, since we're at Steve's house, let me drive to this place. I used to work here for 2 months, way back in the day. I don't know if it's still here. Spicy Thai and Sushi 2. Yeah, worked here like back in 09 for like 2 months. Yeah, 09 there. It's on 22nd and Oneida. Let me see if they're still around, huh? Oh, okay. Here it is. Oh, okay. Shit. Still might be around. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's still here. Man, that's crazy. Oh, they've been around for a minute then, huh? Spicy Thai and Sushi 2. Wow. Yeah. 09 to what? 2023? Wow. Man, they've been around for 15 years, dude. Isn't that crazy? Yeah, I used to work here for 2 months. Yeah. Yeah, Steve live somewhere around here. Yeah. Once again, thank you, Steve. I'm gonna go pump some gas. I'm gonna Uber some more. Yeah, I gotta put in work, man. Gonna take tomorrow off, so yeah. I'll put in work today. See you guys back in a little bit. Alright, guys, we're at the gas station pumping gas right now. This one is $2.65. The one on Broadway near all the car dealerships only like $2.30. $2.65 is not bad. I think they're out of gas. Look how slow it is. So we're gonna pump gas, smoke a cigarette, be back out there. Once again, thank you Rush Air Rodeo for the coffee mugs. Gonna be using that every morning for my TikTok live. Yeah, going forward I will do less live stream on YouTube, maybe once every 2 weeks or so. Yeah, I'm focusing more on my regular YouTube videos now, so please show me love and support on the regular videos. Yeah, I'm cutting back on the live stream, guys. Gas pump is so slow. I only pump like 3 gallons. It's gonna take a little smoke break. It is a nice, beautiful, sunny day though. Have you guys been panhandle in a foreign language? Seen that a few times last couple of months, but that's a story for another day. Oh man. Yeah, man, I'm just feeling thankful for everything. There's been a couple of stumbles along the way this year, but you know, that's not gonna stop us. Stop us. I don't know why I can't talk. So after this cigarette, gonna go Lyft and Uber some more. If it's slow, I'll do some DoorDash and Grubhub, huh? See you guys back in a bit. Local time 3:02 p.m. It's gray everywhere. Top of the hour. That means pretty dead for DoorDash, but this is the dead hour. Go on with Uber Eats, UberX and everything. Alright, let's log on with Lyft. With Lyft, it's just one click. Back in the day, you had to schedule. Wow, Lyft is searching. Isn't that crazy? Lyft is searching. Alright, I'll take that one. It's kind of slow right now. It's barely $1 per mile, but I'll take it. Yeah, with Lyft, generally speaking, you get tips. You get more tips than you get with Lyft than Uber. Yeah. All right, let's go pick up this Lyft passenger. See you guys back in a little bit. I still haven't found my genuine GoPro batteries yet. Yeah, the aftermarket ones suck, dude. Yeah. Alright, Lyft passenger just called me. He drives the truck, so he needs to load something. So he called me and asked me to wait 10 minutes for him. And he asked me if it's okay. So yeah, right now it's not searching or anything. And I I respect my fellow drivers, you know, especially truckers. So we're gonna pull up, gonna smoke another cigarette, wait for my dude, and we'll take him home. And I usually get tips from truckers. Yeah, I've taken a few truckers on Lyft and Uber. Yeah, they're good people. Game recognized game, man.
Quarter mile, turn right onto East 40th Avenue.
But yeah, it is a beautiful day. Gonna see a lot more GoPro footages from now on, huh? More regular videos, less live streams. Yeah, going forward. Well, even if I was in a hurry, can't do anything about railroad crossing, right? Oh, so I'm gonna soak in the sun, smoke a cigarette, and wait for my dude, man. Yeah, during the day it's beautiful, but at night, oh man, it's kind of depressing, huh? For me it is, yeah. What's this guy doing? I don't know. Beautiful sunshine. Look what we found, fam. 2 buses, 3 buses. Got 2 school buses and 1 RTD. Oh man. Yeah, man. Hopefully a few years from now, I'm gonna buy one of these buses, convert it to a party bus, huh? Put a couple of stripper poles in. Day in the life of a party bus driver. That's gonna be lit, dude. So, I don't know. These are probably like decommissioned or something. I don't know. But I guess you can buy one of these, yeah. I see a lot of school buses for the party bus, yeah. Especially up in Red Rocks. Yeah. See a few of those. All right, truckers paradise. Let's go. A lot of people ask me why don't I drive a truck. I have a beautiful wife. I have a cute dog. I like to see them every day. Yeah, that's why I don't drive a truck, like interstate driving and stuff. Yeah, I know they make good money, but it's not for me, man. Yeah, when you're on the road for that long, yeah, man, you're gonna suffer from mental illnesses. But yeah, it's good money though, driving a truck, no doubt about it. But it's just not for me. I like to be home every night. That's why I don't drive a truck. But I do respect all my truck drivers, man. Soaking in the sun before the sun sets. All right. Alright guys, update on the truck driver. He tipped me $20 cash, and he also dropped his phone in my car. So now we're meeting up at McDonald's to give him his phone back. So if he tips me for the phone, that'd be awesome. If he doesn't, it's okay. Yeah. I think on Lyft or Uber, you have the option to request a return lost item fee as well. Yeah. I know Uber does it, but for Lyft, I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, maybe something you can go to the app and request a return item fee from Lyft. Alright, we're meeting up this truck driver at the McDonald's. Let's go. All right. So I met up the trucker to return his iPhone, and he didn't tip me or anything, but that's okay. I made a video on my second channel, yeah, on how to get the $20 to return a lost item fee. So hopefully that goes through and we get $20 for that. On the way for another Lyft ride. I think today's been like all Lyft, only one Uber. All Lyft today, just one Uber. And yeah, like I said in my previous couple of videos, yeah, lately Lyft has been busier for me than Uber, and I do both. Yeah, I'm a multi-apper, so we try to grind this thing out and take tomorrow off for Thanksgiving. All right, let's go. Alright, so I am on with DoorDash as well. On with DoorDash, Grubhub, Uber Eats, UberX, and Lyft. We're on with Uber and Lyft. Just took a lunch break, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna head towards downtown and see which one hop in first, huh? Let's go. Alright, the first one we got from is Lyft. Log out all the other ones, and I'm gonna put DoorDash on hold.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto South Calumet Street.
Let's go. Alright guys, just finished the last ride at 11:31 p.m. There's some search right now, but we're done. Yeah, it's gonna go home. Apps game just let out. Had a couple of good rides on search with Lyft. Yeah, there's a search right now, but I'm ready to go home. So with Lyft, $147 plus $20 cash tip, and pending the $20 return bonus. So essentially, what is it? 187 with Lyft. With Uber, only 37. Yeah, mostly Lyft tonight. I think I only have like 1 or 2 or 3 rides with Uber. Yeah, mostly Lyft. So today was pretty slow, yeah, until like the end. And I drove like let me see, 159, but minus like 10 miles driving to my mom's house to eat some dinner. So what is it, 150 miles for 187 plus 40, yeah, 150 miles for like 205. Yeah, a little bit more than $1 per mile. What is that, $1.25 or something off the top of my head. And at 12 a.m. it's gonna be Thanksgiving. Yeah, today's all right. Yeah. The weekdays, yeah, the day before Thanksgiving is not that crazy. Denver's a small town. Denver's a city of transplants. Yeah. So on Thanksgiving, everybody flies home. You know. Yeah. Nobody's from Denver, so that's why. You know. That's gonna do for today's ride along. I'll see you guys on the next one, huh? Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, ring the bell. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. See you guys on the next one.